Have you ever lost important files, photos, or system data because of a sudden Windows crash or a failing hard drive? It is a frustrating situation that can happen to anyone at any time. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll delve into a powerful solution, the AOMEI Backupper application. Whether you want to back up your entire operating system, clone a hard drive, or just keep your personal files safe, this software is designed to handle it all with ease. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about AOMEI Backupper, and how to use it, and how to benefit from it. To get started, open up your preferred web browser, and head directly to the official AOMEI Backupper website. I have left the official link for you right down in the video description. Always make sure you are downloading software like this straight from the source. Avoid any unknown, third-party websites to ensure you are getting a clean, secure file free from malware. AOMEI Backupper is designed specifically for Windows users, and supports PCs running Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11, as well as Windows servers. So, whether you're running Windows Server 2025, 2022, 2019, 2016, or 2012, this tool fully supports your environment. Okay, at the top click the Download Freeware button to start the download. The installation file is small, only about 190 megabytes, so it will download to your device very quickly. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. You will find the installation file. Double-click it to begin the installation process. The very first window that pops up will ask you to select your setup language. As you can see, the application supports a wide range of global languages, so choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu, and click OK. Now, during the installation sequence, you might see a promotional window pop up. Exactly. This message is essentially a comparison screen highlighting the differences between the Standard Edition and the paid Pro Edition, showing you advanced features like faster backup speeds or automatic old backup cleanup. Don't worry about this for now. You do not need to upgrade to use the core features. Just go ahead and click the skip button right at the bottom of that window to proceed with the free installation. In this window, you will see an option to customize or change the installation path. My recommendation is to leave it on its default path as is. Go ahead and click the Install Now button. It only takes a few seconds for the setup to complete, because the app is so lightweight. Once it finishes running through the progress bar, you will see the Enjoy Now button appear. Go ahead and click that, and the software will launch automatically. The application opens up to this beautiful main dashboard. Right away, you can see how clean and easy to use the interface is. Everything is clearly laid out, making it incredibly simple to navigate even if you are a complete beginner. What I really love about this layout is that all the primary functions, like your backup, restore, sync, and cloning tools, are neatly organized on the left-hand sidebar, so you never have to hunt through complicated menus to find what you need. It is responsive, clutter-free, and designed to give you instant control over your data security from day one. Now, let's dive into the core features, starting with the most important one, backup. Here you will see several powerful options appear on the right side. The first option is System Backup. This is a crucial feature because it automatically selects your entire C partition. This means it backs up your operating system, your Windows configurations, your user account profiles, and all your critical system documents in one go. You will see the destination path selection. By default, the software might select a path for you, but clicking on it allows you to easily choose a different partition. If you have an external hard drive connected, which is highly recommended for safety, you can select it right here as your target location. Also here you will find you have some incredibly powerful options for routing your data. You can choose this PC to save the backup locally, to any of your internal drives, or an attached external hard drive. You can also keep your backups completely off your local machine, by selecting NAS to save directly, to a network-attached storage device, or choosing Network Share to send it to another shared folder on your network. Plus, the Common Locations tab gives you quick access to your main user folders like Desktop, Documents, or Downloads, giving you total flexibility over where your files are securely stored. Before you hit that Start Backup button, take a look at the bottom left corner. You will see three important configuration settings: Schedule, Backup Scheme, and Options. Clicking on any of these will open up your advanced backup settings, allowing you to automate your tasks, manage storage space, and customize exactly how your system image is processed. By clicking on Schedule and toggling Enable Schedule Backup, you can set the app to back up your system automatically on a daily basis, at your preferred start time, and from the advanced options you can also ensure that if your computer is off during a scheduled time, the application will automatically run the missed backup the very next time your system starts up. Next, by clicking on Backup Scheme, you can choose your preferred backup method from the drop-down menu, which offers options like Full Backup, Incremental Backup, or Differential Backup to customize exactly how your files are saved and updated over time. And under the Notifications tab, You can toggle on email notifications to get automatic alerts and status updates sent straight to your inbox whenever a backup finishes or needs attention. Moving down to the Advanced tab, you will find settings to control file compression levels, image splitting, and task priority. It also includes the recommended Intelligent Sector Backup mode to save space, and utilizes Microsoft VSS as the default backup service, so your system can keep backing up files even while you are actively using them. Once you have adjusted all these settings to your liking, simply click the OK button at the bottom right to save your configurations and go back to the main screen. Next up, we have another great option called Disk Backup. This feature allows you to back up an entire physical drive all at once rather than just a single partition. The process is incredibly simple. Just click on it, select the specific hard drive you want to protect, choose your destination path, adjust any of your schedule or compression settings, and click the Start Backup button to begin. Another excellent feature available is Partition Backup. This lets you target a specific drive partition instead of your entire PC. I am selecting my D drive as the source, choosing a destination partition, and tweaking the settings. I am going to let this partition backup run all the way through, so I can show you exactly how both the backup and restore processes work in real time. I chose a partition backup for this test, because the storage space is readily available, but keep in mind that system backup and disk backup operate in the exact same way. Now we just wait for the process to finish. The total time depends entirely on how much data you are moving, but AOMEI Backupper is incredibly fast. You will see a live progress counter tracking the operation, and once it hits 100%, it will display a backup success message confirming your data is safely secured. Once your backup completes successfully, it will automatically appear right here on your main home page for quick access. Now, there is one important detail I forgot to mention earlier. Whenever you are setting up a new backup task, you can actually give it a custom name right at the very top of the window before hitting that Start button. I highly recommend doing this, as giving your backups clear, descriptive names makes it incredibly easy to identify exactly what is what when you need to manage or restore your files later on. Now, let's look at how to restore your data. Imagine a scenario where everything on your D drive gets deleted or corrupted. Because we previously saved our backup image securely on the F drive, we can easily recover everything. Keep in mind that this backup is saved as a compressed image file that only AOMEI Backupper can read and extract to rebuild your drive. To begin, return to the app and click the Restore button on the main screen. This opens a clear dashboard displaying your available backups. This is exactly why custom naming your backups comes in handy. It lets you find the right file instantly. Select your backup and click Next. Then choose the specific partition you want to restore and click Next again. You can actually restore this image to any partition you want, but for this guide, we are restoring it right back to its original location on the D drive. Click Next. At this point, a critical warning window will pop up. It alerts you that the target partition will be overwritten or deleted during the process, so you must ensure there is no new, unsaved data on it before continuing. Click OK, and then click Start Restore. Right after that, another message will appear. It lets you know that the D drive is currently in use by Windows or other running applications. It asks if you want to close these programs to proceed, or let the tool perform the operation under a quick system restart. Click Yes to confirm and begin the restoration. The processing speed is impressively fast, and you will see a live progress bar until the success message appears. Once it is done, if we head straight over to File Explorer and open up the D drive, you will see that absolutely all of your data has been perfectly restored exactly where it belongs. We also have excellent options like File Backup, Outlook Backup, and Email Backup. You can take advantage of all these features by following the same simple steps we just explained, which I'll explain in more detail in an upcoming video. I am lucky enough to have a license code today, so let's go ahead and activate the full application. To do this, just click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner, select Register from the menu, paste in your license code, and click Register. It only takes a couple of seconds to validate, and once it is activated, every single advanced feature and professional option will unlock automatically. Now that the registration is successful, you can see on the upper left that our application has switched to the professional version, and all advanced features are completely unlocked. Let's move straight to the sync section on our left-hand sidebar. This area gives you 4 distinct ways to keep your files perfectly replicated across different locations. We have Basic Sync, which copies changed files from your source folder to your target destination. Next is Real-Time Sync, which monitors your files instantly and updates the destination the second a change happens. Then we have Mirror Sync, which ensures the destination folder always matches the source exactly by deleting any extra files added there. And finally, Two-Way Sync, which synchronizes changes in both directions, so both folders stay identical no matter where you edit your files. Setting up any of these synchronization methods follows the exact same straightforward process we used for backups. you choose your source folder, pick your destination, and save. However, the most important feature to look out for here is the filter settings. Under the Filter tab, you can use the File Inclusion Mask dropdown to specify that you only want to sync specific file types, such as documents or spreadsheets. Even better, right below that, you have the File Exclusion Mask. This dropdown allows you to exclude temporary files, backup duplicates, or specific extensions that you do not want wasting storage space. You can also check the boxes at the bottom to automatically exclude hidden or system files, giving you absolute control over precisely which data gets synchronized. Next, let's explore one of the most powerful sections of this software, the Clone tab. This feature is a lifesaver when you are upgrading your hardware or migrating data. As you can see on the right, it gives you 3 dedicated cloning methods. First is System Clone, which allows you to move your entire operating system and configurations directly to a new SSD or drive. Second is Disk Clone, which makes an exact duplicate of an entire hard drive onto another one. And third is Partition Clone, which lets you clone an individual volume or partition from one location to another. I know many of you are eager to see exactly how to use these options, so I will be releasing a dedicated, step-by-step video very soon breaking down this cloning feature in full detail. Another incredibly useful privacy protection feature built into this software is the ability to create a secure app lock password. This is a fantastic security layer that completely prevents anyone else from opening or using the application without your explicit permission. Go ahead and enter a strong, secure password here. Once you save it, the application is fully locked down, and the next time you try to launch the program, it will immediately prompt you for this password, before allowing access to any of your backup tasks or data. As you can see, it is an incredibly powerful and versatile tool for keeping your operating system and files completely secure. Since there are so many deep features packed into this software, I will be creating a series of dedicated, step-by-step videos in the near future to explain how to use each major feature, like cloning and advanced syncing individually, so keep an eye out for those. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming technical tutorials and solutions. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.